Hi guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we provide the Eufy Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner setup and reviews. You can connect this robot vacuum cleaner to Wi-Fi network and operate from any other location. First we will tell you the reviews, then you can get the entire details to connect it with your Wi-Fi network. Let's start. Eufy Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaners are known for their cleaning performance and smart features. Many Eufy models are praised for their powerful suction, especially on carpets. It automatically adjusts suction for different floor types. Eufy vacuums offers a good performance for their price, making them a popular choice among budget-conscious consumers. Eufy's app allows users to control or set up the robot vacuum from anywhere. If you are facing any issue, then you can reach us. To start the setup process, first of all, download the Eufy Clean app from the App Store or Google Play Store. App Store is for iPhone user and Play Store is for Android phone user. After download, you need to install the app. Now, open the app and create a user account. If you have an account, then you can log in the Eufy Clean app. Then tap Add Device on the main screen of the app. Now it will automatically find the Eufy robot vacuum. Then, you need to select the Connect button. It may take few seconds to loading. After this, you need to choose a Wi-Fi network to connect with your Eufy Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Type the Wi-Fi password and then click on Next. Now you can check the connected device in the app. After connecting successfully, you can control the robot via the app. If your Eufy Smart Robot Vacuum needs a firmware update, then you can update it from the app. Here, you can select different cleaning modes, schedule cleaning, adjust the suction level, view the operation status, receive notifications, set up zones, and more. After a connection, tap Enter and then start on the screen to start quick mapping, followed by a whole house cleaning. After this, you are ready to start cleaning. If you are facing any issue in Eufy Smart Robot Vacuum Cleaner and having trouble with the app, then you can reach us. Thanks for watching.